Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you a really fun macrame pattern that you can add into all kinds of different projects. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 10 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. I'm going to begin my pattern here on the left side and tie one square knot. To tie a square knot, I'll be using these 4 ropes. I'll take the rope on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I'm going to send that left rope over the right one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. Now I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right then goes over the left rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I just pull that tight. Now I'm going to move on and I'm going to use the 2 ropes here on the right from our previous square knot and 2 brand new ropes. And I'm just going to tie one more square knot. I'm going to repeat this pattern 2 more times. So I'm going to take the 2 ropes on the right from the last square knot and 2 new ropes. Now I'm going to repeat the exact same pattern, this time starting from the right side and moving down and to the left. So I'll take the 4 cords here on the right and form a square knot. I'm going to connect these 2 little sections with one more square knot directly in the center. So I'm just going to take these 4 cords here in the center and tie another square knot. Now I'm going to just tie 2 more square knots right here in the middle using these 4 cords once again. Now I'm going to take the 4 cords here on the far left once again and tie my first square knot. this one tight, I'm going to leave it so there's a big gap here, and I'm just going to try my best to line it up with this first little square knot here that's in our center. Now I'm going to use the 2 on the right side from the last square knot and 2 new ropes and tie another square knot. This one you want to line up with the one here in the middle. Now I'm going to go back and use the 4 cords here on the left side, and I'm going to be tying another square knot. I'm going to repeat this little pattern on this side. Now I'm going to do a mirror image of what we did up here. So this time we're going to do rows of square knots going out, kind of like we're making a giant X. So I'm going to start in the center, take the 2 on the left side from this little bundle of square knots, and then the next 2 ropes, and tie my first square knot. Then I just keep repeating this same pattern, moving down and to the left. And now I just repeat once more here on the right, going downwards. And there we go. So this is the finished result of this fun little geometric pattern using all square knots. This is just a fun design to add into wall hangings or any other design you would like. And you can switch this up too by maybe adding double half hitch knots. You could change the little design I did here on the edges, leave them off, totally your choice. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.